everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for a quick way to make crab legs? Well, today I'll show you guys a super duper easy way to make garlic crab legs in the oven. These are extremely easy and of course they taste amazing. But before I show you guys how to make this recipe, if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. If you find today's recipe helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let's jump right into the recipe. Okay, family, here's what you need to make today's recipe. Everything will be listed down below. You will need chopped onions, minced garlic, lemon juice, chicken broth, parsley, fresh parsley or dry. You will need hot sauce, butter, and these are the seasoning I'll be using: onion powder, ground black pepper, creole seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, as well as some paprika. And these are the crab legs I'll be using, snow crabs. Okay, shall we begin? All right, guys, this is what you do. You are going to melt the butter in the microwave. Now I'm going to use a microwave safe bowl. I'm using my Pyrex for this. I'm going to microwave it for about 30 to 40 seconds. Once melted, I'm going to add the chopped or minced garlic in there. This is about 5 cloves of garlic. Just make sure you dice them very small, minced. Okay, now I'm going to add some hot sauce. This is going to give it a hint of, spiciness as well as sour at the same time, if you know what I'm saying. Also, this right here is lemon juice. We're going to pour that in. And then I am going to add some chicken broth. You don't always have to use 100% butter only. You can mix it with chicken broth, and this is one of the things that I've been doing recently because I feel like too much butter. I mean, butter is good, but you can mix it with a little bit of chicken broth. I added the onions and the fresh parsley, and these are the seasonings. Now you're going to give that a quick mix just like so. It's nice and looking good, right? Okay, now you are going to grab your crab. Keep in mind the crabs are already cooked. For those who might not know, it's pre-cooked crab because that's how it's not fresh crab. Okay, it's already pre-cooked. So basically you just want your crab to be swimming in the sauce. This is why I am going to add the sauce, I guess you can call it that, all over the crab. Make sure you pour it in. I was using a brush and I'm like, this is taking forever. Let me just pour it on this. So pour it directly on the meat of the crab so it can just go in there, and then you can pour the rest on top if you want to. Yeah, just watch. Now, adding the hot sauce to this sauce was not make it spicy at all. If you want it to be more spicy, you can add some cayenne pepper to this mix. Now I'm going to just drizzle the rest or the remaining of the sauce all over the crab. And basically, guys, this is what we're looking like. Before we bake it, we're going to bake it on 350. Make sure to preheat your oven on 350, and we're going to bake this for about 15 to 20 minutes uncovered. Okay, and this is what we're looking like once it's done, honey. Okay, you are going to just grab that sauce, pour it all over the crab, and basically to garnish I use some fresh parsley with more lemon. And that is how easy this recipe was. It's so quick. I found this recipe more easier than just regular boil the crab and make the sauce. This is like way faster and it tastes the same. It tastes exactly the same. It tastes really good. Okay. Hope you enjoyed today's recipe. It was quick and it's It's a good one. Try it out. Let me know what you think. This is a 10 out of 10 recipe, especially if you're looking for something quick and something good, something delicious too. Try this out, okay? And stop eating all that butter. Add some chicken broth. Well, I can't tell you what to do, but thank you for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy, and I will see you beautiful people on the next recipe. Bye.